my name is Andrea Carlson and I'm the founder of wigstudio1.com. Today we're going to do an unboxing of Bernadette by Push Hair. So this is in the color Rootbeer Float Blonde. For those of you not familiar with Push Hair, it is an exclusive collection designed by us here at Wig Studio One and only offered at wigstudio1.com. The heat-friendly styles are in collaboration with Beltrust, so you'll recognize probably some of those really beautiful heat-friendly fiber colors like Rootbeer Float Blonde. So let's go ahead and get started. So this particular style has some beautiful waves, and so she's packaged specifically to protect those waves and curl. So here is a look at the color Rootbeer Float Blonde, one of our most popular colors here in the Push line and also in the Beltrust line. Let's take a look at her cap construction because it's so beautiful and unique. So she has an extended lace front. You can see that goes all the way to the ear tab, all the way across to the other ear tab, and a full monofilament top, so you can part her wherever you'd like. Something that's very special about this collection is that we have no seam here. So it is seamless, if you will. It provides a really natural look when you have her on. There's no seam that can show through, and you can wear her back up off the face. So continuing with her cap construction, she's got a felt ear tab here, extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters for a more personalized fit. She is open wefted. And there is a look at her other ear tab. Let me go ahead and try her on. So this is Bernadette by Push, and let's take a look at her lace front hairline. Again, it does run ear to ear, so you can pull her back up off your face all the way back to that ear tab. She is designed with heat-friendly fibers, beautiful waves. You can break these up by using a comb. You can wear her back up off your face. She's long enough to put in just a low pony. Super, super pretty, very versatile, and she comes in 9 different colors. So you'll recognize some of those colors from Beltrust Cafe collection, like Rootbeer Float Blonde, Butterbeer Blonde. We also have some colors that we've incorporated from the Luxe collection, like Pumpkin Pie Spice Rooted, the color Oyster. There's lots of different blondes and brunettes. We also offer English Toffee, Mocha with Cream, some of the most popular colors in these beautifully designed styles. So let me go ahead and do a spin. She is so pretty. And again, she's heat friendly. So it provides a lot of versatility in terms of if you want to straighten her, you can, or if you'd like to add more curl, you can do that as well. She's very pretty and I hope you love her. Please let us know if you have any questions. We can be reached at support@wigstudio1.com and we are here to help. I hope you have a beautiful day and thanks so much for watching. Take care.